These are cloud variables. They are basically data you can store online. However, though, with the only limits of numbers, it can be pretty hard to have a lot of uses for it. But in this video, I will show you how to make your very own decoder/encoder, so you can be able to put text in cloud variables. Well, kind of. Alright, so what we're going to first do is we're going to actually have to create two lists containing all the characters here. All the keyboard characters, actually. Now, you can obviously download the text file in the... obviously, I think... I'm going to just provide a scratch link to the lists in here. And then we have the keyboard codes, which are like lined up exactly to the keyboard characters, so that we can use these to like line up. So let's do this. So the first thing we should do is to create a new block called pack, and then add string/text as the block, and then set it to 1 without screen refresh. Then we pack this string. So now we do repeat length string of the text, which will repeat as much as how long this string will be, and then we'll create these following variables, which are I, letter, position, encoded. Is there more? I think this is it. So we're going to do encoded. Set encoded to this. Set I to 1. Set letter to nothing. Set position to 0. Okay. Now repeat length of this string. So we do set position to letter wait, I think it's I think it's set letter to letter I of the string of text. Then we set the position to item letter of keyboard codes list. Then we finally set the encoded value to, where's that block? Join encoded with position. Oh yeah, and then we have to activate it. Wait. What was it? Oh, I forgot to change. Oh yeah, don't forget to change I by 1. And I forgot to encode it. No way. Wait. Oh. This is not the. It's item number of. No. So laggy. Item number of letter I of string of text in keyboard characters list. Then we set the position to item. So now, the encoded is this very batch of numbers. So this is what we will encode. Alright, now on to the decoding part. Alright, so now, to create the decoder, we're going to need a new one called unpack, and then encode it. Oh, and also run this off screen first. So what we'll first do is we're actually going to create a new variable called decoded, and then create something called code. Now we'll just copy this because it's almost the same thing, although there will be some differences. So decode it, and we're also going to set the I to 1. Now we're going to actually set called code to 0 and position to 0. Now we're going to change this to code. Now for this, we're actually going to combine. We're actually going to join two characters. We're actually going to join two characters at the same time. Why? Well, let me show you. Our codes here actually have 2 digits. If we were to check 1 digit at a time, well, then it wouldn't exactly work really well. So it's very much more recommended to check 2 digits at a time. Okay. Now we just join letter O, and we're also going to change this to encoder. Letter I of encoded to letter I plus 1 of encoded. This will add the second I to it, second index, and then finally we just change this to coded. Now, and then we change back position to item code of keyboard's character list. And then we join this with the position. And then we change this to decoded. And now if we were to unpack the encoded, again, what was wrong? This thing that decoded said H. No, it was not. This is HH. Oh, I forgot this. Oh, that was my mistake. I changed. Now it will say hello and this one. So I think we are now finished the tutorial. So this is exactly how you make your very own decoder and encoder. Finally, we have created an encoder/decoder for cloud variables in Scratch. This is very beneficial for big projects like cloud chats, forums, feedback lists, login lists, and so much more. This could even benefit ScratchTube, made by Mick Vincent. If you're watching this video, I think this is probably a good idea to do. But anyways, thanks for watching this video, because if you found this very, very good, make sure to like and subscribe.